Hello guys, how are you all? So in this video I'm going to discuss about sector analysis. So we have got different sectors in Nifty 50 and as well as this Sensex. So these different sectors like Nifty, pharma, real estate, infra, services sector, PSU banks, private banks, and IT sector and different. There are different sectors. So we'll discuss how these sectors are going to perform in this week, so that we can come to know what is the impact of these sectors on the Nifty 50 and as well as Bank Nifty. So we can gauge the market before itself, and we can come to know like how these sectors are going to drive the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty in the upcoming week. So this is my first video which I'm going to upload in my this channel, but I have been doing this analysis in my local channel. So this will be my first video on sector analysis, that too in English. So friends, I hope I will get proper support from you by liking this video and proper watching this video. And if you get valuable information from this video, kindly don't forget to like my videos, and don't forget to even subscribe my channel. So let's start the discussion. So first we'll discuss about the India VIX. So India VIX is nothing but the volatility index, and it states that how much volatility is there in the market, and it is also a greed sentiment or fear sentiment in the market. And this volatility index is calculated based on the options chain itself, that is Nifty 50, because it's the only traded instrument in our Indian market. So as of now, Nifty India VIX is trading at 12.180, and we can expect a further fall up to this the 11.68 level, and we can expect a bottom out from this 11.68 level. If the market closes below this 11.68 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 10.52. But if the India VIX comes down below this 10.5 or 10 levels, then we can expect a good movement in the Nifty 50, because when there is less fear or less panic situation or less greed in the market, and if the volatility is very much less, then we can expect a smooth movement or smooth upside movement in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and as well as in the Sensex also. So I'm expecting the market to close below this 10 or below 9, and if the market, if it is less than 15 itself, then we can expect a good movement. But if it is less than 10, then it's a good opportunity to take long positions in the Nifty, as well as in the Bank Nifty, and as well as in the Sensex, like stocks like equities and everything. So this is about the India VIX. And coming to the first major sector, that is like Nifty IT, and let's change our chart to candlestick chart. So this candlestick, if we see the Nifty IT chart on the weekly time frame, the market has given a good breakout at, like on the 30th Jan, and the market went up and it took a resistance at this level, that is 31,462 level, and from there market is trying to retest or recorrect. So if the market comes down, then this 29,283 level will be our good support point, and from there market can go up, or the market can turn around from this level. So in this week, we can expect market to form a doji or spinning candle kind of thing, because the market has to take support on this trend line, and from there market has to go up. So if the market directly forms a doji candle or a bullish kind of spinning candle, it's a green candle kind of thing, so we can expect a good rally in the Nifty IT itself, and we can expect a upside rally up to this 31,646, and this will be our final target for this level. And the lowest point, like support point, will be at like 29,283 level. This will be our support point. And coming to the Nifty FMCG, so Nifty FMCG, the market has formed a like good Marbozu candle on the 30th Jan, and it has took resistance at the previous resistance point itself, and it has formed a bullish like bearish ceramic candlestick pattern, and from there market is trying to come down, because earlier the market made a new all-time high, and from there market made a good correction, and market tried to move up above this previous resistance level, that is previous high, but the market couldn't sustain above this level, and even though the market tried like 2 or 3 weeks of period of time to go above this level, but the market couldn't sustain above this level, and from the higher levels the sellers are trying to push the market down. So, and if we see the candlestick patterns, this is a bearish ceramic candlestick pattern, and in this week, like in the previous week, market tried to push this Nifty FMCG downside. Because of this huge selling pressure, market went down eventually in the first half of the week, and from there, because of like buying sentiment, again the market came up and closed at the same level where the market has closed in the last week, like before last week. So overall, in the last week, we have witnessed that market has formed a doji candle. So it's still in the above upper half of the this bearish candle. So we can expect a good momentum in the Nifty FMCG. But if the market closes above this level, that is 46,239, 240 levels in this week, then we can expect a good rally in the Nifty 50 and as well as in the Sensex also. So because of this buying sentiment, it's clearly coming from the lower levels when the market is coming down, and even the Nifty 50 is heading upwards. So I'm expecting a good rally in the Nifty FMCG in this week, and if the market closes above this 45,956 within first 2 or 3 days, then we can expect a further rally up to this 46,418. Or if the market closes below this body of this doji candle, that is below this 45,377 level, then we can expect a good fall in the Nifty FMCG. And this doji can the whatever sentiment which the market has created because of the doji candle will get nullified, and we can expect a good fall in the market. And coming to the Nifty energy has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern, but the market has to go up, but instead of going up, the market given a good breakout towards the downside, and market is continuously falling. And as of now, this Nifty energy, it is trading at its important support point, but at the support point itself, if we see, the market has formed a bullish harami, like it's a piercing candlestick pattern, and it's a bullish trade setup. So in this week, the market has to close above this 22,506 level, that is up above this level, then we can expect a good rally in the Nifty energy as well. So this rally is nothing but a minor correction, that is before falling further, the market can take a good correction, that is up to 38% or to the below less than 1/3 correction, or 50% correction, or less than 2/3 correction. So we can draw Fibonacci retracements from here to here, and we can calculate the retracement based on that. We can calculate the market rally up to based on the retracements itself, and from there we can see where the market can turn around from that levels. But if the market closes above this level, that is 26,294 levels, in the coming weeks or coming months, then we can see that this fall has been completed, and we can see a good rally in the Nifty energy as well. But as of now, we can expect only minor correction, and from there market can turn around, and it can come and again it can fall, or it can resume its primary trend, that is this bearish trend. So as the market went up, and again the market is coming down, so in higher time frame, that is in monthly time frame, then we can expect a good correction. So it either like it can be an intermediate trend, or in the primary trend we can see a good correction in the Nifty energy. From there it can resume its primary trend, that is in the primary trend, in secular trend or in primary trend, the main trend will be like bullish sentiment only. But in intermediate trend, as of now, in Nifty energy is facing its correction, that is bearish trend. So this is about the Nifty energy. So coming to the Nifty Auto, Nifty Auto is trading in its megaphone chart pattern, that is a broadening top chart pattern. So as of now, the market is exactly at its midpoint, and in the midpoint it took support exactly at the previous support point, and it has formed a doji candle. So in this week, if the market opens gap up opening and it forms at least a small bodied green candle, then we can see a Morningstar candlestick pattern. And then in the coming week, like in the after this upcoming week, then we can expect a good rally in the Nifty 50, and our final target will be like 39,900 levels. But if the market forms a bearish candle and it closes below this closing point, that is 12,787 level in the coming week, then we can expect a good fall, and we can see that this bearish trend will be continuing downside. So, and we can expect a further fall up to this 12,253 levels in the coming week. So as the market has formed a doji candle, so it's completely indecision, it's an indecision candle. So we need to wait how the market closes in this week, then only we can take proper decision in the Nifty Auto. And then coming to the Nifty Pharma is very much weak, and it's, even if we compare this relative strength when compared to the Nifty 50, its relative strength is very weak. So if you want to take any short positions, then we can easily plan in the Nifty Pharma by taking short positions in the in individual stocks like Sun Pharma or like ILCP, like there are different stocks in the Nifty Pharma. Then we can easily plan whichever is the weakest stock in the Nifty Pharma, and we can easily book some good amounts of profit in the Nifty Pharma. So as of now, the market is at its support point. So I'm expecting a candle of doji to spinning candle in this week, because market is an important support point. So most probably the market can go sideways for at least 1 or 2 weeks over here, and from there market can break down. And if the market closes below this level, that is 11,739 level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 11,114 levels. So before that, market will go sideways for a temporary being like 1 or couple of weeks, and from then the market can go down. So if the market takes support and if the market is trying to move up, then this bearish candle's highest point, that is 12,006 levels itself, will be acting as a resistance point for this week. So coming to the Nifty metal, so Nifty metal has taken a good support from this support zone, and again the market is trying to move up. And overall, if we see this trade setup, it is a piercing candlestick pattern. And if the market in this coming week, if the market closes above this level, that is 5,824 level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 6,197 level. And coming to the support point, this bullish candle's lowest point itself, we can mark as a support for this coming week. So most probably market will be going up in the Nifty metal in the coming week. And coming to the Nifty realty, even this Nifty realty has taken support from the support zone, and it has formed a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And right now it is at its important resistance point, that is the market has given a good breakout from this descending triangle pattern. So the market is at its important resistance point. So if the market closes above this resistance point like within 1 or 2 days in the coming week, then we can expect a good rally up to this 435 levels in the coming week. But if the market couldn't sustain above this level, and the market comes below this 412 level once again, then we can see this 401 levels will be acting as an important support point. And most probably in this week we can expect like in Nifty realty, we can expect to form a doji to spinning candle in the Nifty realty, because after a good rally we can see some kind of pause in the market, and then we can see a good rally. Or if there is any selling sentiment, then we can expect that if the market has formed doji or spinning candle, then there will be a kind of indication in the market, and from there we can see a turnaround in the market. So most probably in this week there will be an indication that there is the fighting between buyers and sellers. So there will be one kind of neutral sentiment in the market in Nifty realty. So in the upcoming week, like not in this week, that is from 6th to 10th March, then after like 12th March, then only we can see a good rally or good fall in the Nifty realty, unless and until if there is any like a huge negative sentiment in the market. And coming to the Nifty infra, so this Nifty infra, this sector has taken a good support at this important support point. So since last 1 month, so market is taking support at this important support point. So and all these candles are insideable candlestick patterns, and even this the green candle which has formed in the last week or in the previous week, so this is also an insideable candlestick pattern. So for this week, the highest point or resistance point will be like 5,196 level, and if the market closes above this 5,196 or 5,200 levels, then our upside target will be like 5,284 levels in the coming week. So this will be our final target for this week. And as the market is turning around from this support point, so if the market closes above this 5,200 levels or 280 levels in the coming week, then we can expect a good turnaround or good rally in the Nifty infra. And this Nifty infra is very much important for the Indian economy, because completely the if Indian economy needs good amount of profits, then definitely there should be major major projects to be going down in the in India, so that they can generate good amount of money for the government. Then only we can see good per capita income or good salaries and good wage and good consumption capacity by the consumers. So this is very much important, and we can expect a good rally in the Nifty infra if the market closes above this 5,293 or 5,300 levels in the coming weeks. And coming to the Nifty services sector, so even this Nifty services sector has taken a support at this important confluence point or important support point, that is 23,055 levels, and it has formed a bullish harami candlestick kind of pattern. So if the market goes up in the coming week, then we can expect a rally up to this 23,717 level, and we can see a immediate resistance point in the Nifty services sector, that is at 23,717 mark. So from there market can come down once again, or if the market closes above that this trend line, then our final target will be like 23,897 level. So in this week, even if the market goes up, then we can see, or we can expect a false breakout itself. But in the next week, not this week, and if in the coming week, if the market closes above this trend line, and after that in the next week, in the further next week, if the market continues to go around above this trend line, then we can see that market has resumed its primary trend, that is bullish trend, but at a lower pace. So for that we need to wait for at least 2 weeks or at least 1 week, this coming week. Then only we can conclude that the market has resumed its prior bullish trend. Then only we can plan for the this long positions in the Nifty services sector. That includes like our telecommunications and everything that comes in the Nifty services sector only. And coming to the Nifty commodities, so similar to the Nifty metals itself, similar to the Nifty metal, this Nifty commodities has also taken support at its previous support zone, and it has formed a hammer pattern. And if we combine these two candles, then it will be a bullish ceramic candlestick pattern. So the market for this week, the market has to close above this 5,534 level within first 1 day itself. Then we can expect a good rally up to this 5,753 level in the Nifty commodities. But if the market takes support at this 5,540 or 550 levels, and if the market turns around from this level and closes below this 5,410 level within first 1 or 2 days, then we can expect a good fall up to this 5,273 level. And it's completely depends upon the kind of movement the market is showing. As the market has formed hammer pattern at its support point, then we can easily expect that market can go up in this coming week, and at least we can expect a rally up to this 5,661 in the initial days. So most probably the market can go up in the Nifty commodities similar to the Nifty metal. And coming to the Nifty private bank, so the rally which we have witnessed in the last week, it's completely out of surprise only, because I expected that market can come into this support zone, and from there market can go sideways for a few weeks, and from then the market can come down. But eventually the market took support at this support in itself, and it has formed a like a good Marbozu candle. So overall it has formed a like piercing candlestick pattern in the previous week. So if the market closes above this 21,057 level in the coming week, then we can expect a further rally up to this 21,965. But before that, the market has to close above this 21,500 levels. Then only we can expect a rally up to this 21,900 levels. So before that, we can expect one kind of volatilization unless the market closes above this 21,500 levels. So this is about the technical analysis of private bank. And when coming to the downside, this 20,044 levels itself is will be acting as a good support point for this private bank. And coming to the PSU banks, even this PSU banks has we need to adjust. Okay, sorry. So if we see even this PSU bank, if you see the PSU banks, it has taken good support at this trend line, and from this trend line itself market is trying to move up. But according to this hammer shooting star pattern, the market has given good confirmation at this level, that is 3,848 level, and this level, that is 4,606 level, will be acting as our stop loss level. If the market closes above this 4,606 level, then we can confirm that the trend which has come down because of this shooting star pattern has been like invalidated, and the market can go up. But as the market is respecting this trend line as a support line, and the market has formed an bullish engulfing candlestick pattern from this trend line, then we can expect a good rally in the like Nifty PSU banks, and our first target will be like 4,258 levels like at this point, that is 4,240 or 250 levels. And if the market tries to close above this level in this week, then we can expect a further rally we can expect a further rally up to this level, that is 5,000 levels, or at least 5,100 levels in the coming week. Based on this retracement level, then we can expect a good rally up to 5,000 or 5,100 levels in the coming week, and from there we can expect a turnaround, and it will definitely retest our support point once again, that is support point with this trend line once again. So this is about the PSU banks, and as already market has given a good reversal from the support point, then most probably in this week we can expect doji candle to like good small bodied candle in the coming week in the PSU banks. And coming to the Nifty media, so Nifty media as of now it is trading in the descendant triangle pattern, and the market tried to close below this support line in the previous week, and in the last week it has formed a like a hammer pattern. So most probably market can go up once again from this level to this 2026 levels in the Nifty media. So we can see a good rally in the media stocks in the coming week. So even if we draw this triangle pattern, so we need to start from this. So this is first A, B, and this is C, and this is D, and this will be our E, and we need to expect a breakout from this point, that is from E to upside. That is, if we draw the breakout line, that is from here. So we can expect a breakout from this. The market will go up like this. So because the market has entered the descending triangle pattern from the lower levels, so we need to start our wave count from this highest point, from this to downside A, B, C, D, E, and from this lowest point the market can give breakout to the upside. So most of the times many people will think that this descending triangle, because the market is trading in a descending triangle pattern, market has to give breakout towards the downside, but this is not correct all the time. And if the coming to the descending triangle pattern, if the market gives a false breakout in the descending triangle pattern, it works very well, and we can keep a target of this 2489 level once the market closes above this resistance point, that is this trend line. The market has to close above this trend line, that is at 1885 levels, then we can expect a rally up to this 2489 level. But the market before the breakout, at least it takes around like 2 to 3 months of time to give a good breakout in the Nifty media. So this is about the technical analysis of different sectors, and in the most of the sectors, if you see, the market is about to form like spinning candles to like nice bullish candles in the coming week. So I'm expecting the market to rally in the coming week, and even if we see the put call ratio, even the put call ratio is also suggesting that market can open gap up opening in the Monday session, and it can rally in the coming week. So based on the analysis of different sectors, then we can like wait and watch for the coming week, or at least we can take partial positions in the different sectors which are good, which are good sectors, or which are performing really good, or which are outperformers when compared to the Nifty 50. So take positions depending upon your own analysis, which you think they will be performing really good. And as per my analysis, there are few sectors and which I have discussed just now, they will be like performing really good in the coming week. So friends, this is about the technical analysis of different sectors, and I hope you have liked this video. And you can contact me through the comment section, or through any like social media platforms directly, so that I can clarify your query, or if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask me over there. So, and let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, Jai Hind.